Hello Guru Nation, welcome back. So we just wrapped up a long but good week with the CRA Academy intern, Dorothy. How's it going, Dorothy?
Awesome.
What did you think of the week?
This was a very informative, and I had a great time. I learned a lot. I got to see a lot, and it just brought all the studies that I did for the last 12 weeks together.
And we wrapped it all up the entire week. You learned, you got your hands dirty, learned the fundamentals. We wrapped it up with a real monitoring visit where you shadowed me on a real life monitoring visit. What did you discover at the visit? Because you found a couple of things, right? What were some of the stuff that you found?
Yeah, when I was doing some source data verification, I found some licensures that were missing or expired. I found some medication mess ups, wrong names.
Wrong names. What else? There was another one you found. Oh, the SOP thing, right? GCP training.
Oh, GCP training.
Educate them. How often should it's fun to ask you now, Dorothy. How often should a site renew their GCP trainings for their staff?
They need to do it every 2 years, according to that GCP and according to this one's SOP. So you just want to clarify in the site's SOP. Just make sure, but I think 2 years seems to be.
2 years seems to be the going rate, although the FDA just says it needs to be done once. Sponsors have their own SOPs sometimes, in this case they didn't. Then sites have their own SOPs, in this case they did, and you discovered it. It took about 15 minutes, but you found it.
Yep.
And it said 2 years, and we found out there are a whole bunch of them are about to expire before my next monitoring visit, so it's important that they get those done. So we made action items. You even got to do some queries in the EDC.
Yep.
Very good. How did that feel overall?
That was really cool because our last few classes, we got to do that, and I really enjoyed it. And now I get to see the real one and see, exactly how it works. And it's a little bit different than writing, but it's definitely better.
Do you feel confident now about your job prospects?
Definitely. I definitely think this will help me. It just gives me more confidence in doing this new career, and I really enjoy clinical research, and this has just made it.
Very good. And now we got one more thing left to do, very important, that we just started doing for the CRA Academy interns, and show them what you're writing. You're writing your 60-second or less, or less is the key.
Definitely less.
Video cover letter, which we are going to record right now in a less windy place. And then we're going to have that link for you to send to all your job prospects as you start applying. And you'll be able to get a job in no time, either as a coordinator, in-house CRA, eventually as a CRA too, because you were doing CRA work today. So good job, Dorothy. Congrats. It's been a great week. And let's go do that video cover letter.
Thank you, Dan.